Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this Yoga for a Rainy Day series. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes, bring the hands together. A long, deep breath in. Om. As you exhale, let's rest the hands down. A long, deep breath in, and as you exhale, let's open the eyes. Let's get nice and cozy. So let's bring the bolster in, and we'll start off in a nice wide child's pose. And if you're feeling a little chilly, grab a blanket. Have the blanket nearby, so in case if you want to cover up, it'll be right there for you. And then let's have a long, deep breath in, and as you exhale, let's drop down. We'll stay here for a little while. And let the mind just drop in, appreciating these moments on the mat, bringing in that feeling of coziness, that feeling of warmth and comfort, a good feeling, where the body and the mind can move into a space of healing, and allow yourself to just let everything go. Be aware of the sensation of inhalation and exhalation. We'll be here for about 5 more breaths. So enjoy these last 5 breaths as you really settle in. Now allow yourself a big breath in. We'll come all the way up. Let's scoot that bolster just a little bit forward. We'll cross the feet underneath, extend the legs. And after you extend the legs, again, slide the bolster again in. A nice big breath in. And then again, exhale. Let's come all the way down. Find the head and the neck position that's comfortable for you. And if the environment is a little cold, be sure to turn the heat on, get some nice cozy socks on, so that you can really just relax into it. After a few breaths, you might decide that you want to try a different head position. Don't push too hard. Be aware of which muscles are stretching, which are releasing. Let the body soften. Let's be here for about 5 more breaths. Let everything go that you can let go of. Find that quiet space within. Let's go for one more long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's turn back to the center. Inhale, let's find the way up. Push the bolster forward. Then let's cross the legs, turn around. And then let's grab the blocks and we'll move into Supta Baddha Konasana. And again, maybe it's starting to feel a little bit chilly, so I'm going to snuggle in under the blanket after I get into the posture, so I'll get that ready. All right, place the bolster right in the area around the sacrum, get the hips comfortable, make sure the blocks really support the knees, and then if you're feeling a little chilly, if you're in a cold place, then let's cover all the way up so you can get that cozy feeling. And then allow yourself to just ease into it. Allow a feeling of openness to roll through the body. Feel the whole front body releasing and opening, keeping the mind quiet. Just a few more breaths. Let all those tired muscles just release. Let's be here for about 5 more breaths. So really let each exhalation sink the body more and more down. Keep emphasizing the exhalation. Let's go for 2 more breaths. And the last breath. And then slowly press into the elbows. Let's remove the body from the bolster. Bring it on over to the side. And then let's lie down and allow yourself a complete rest. As the body and the mind move into that cycle of rest, remain internally focused, giving yourself permission to heal, to restore. Then let's slowly reawaken your feet, your hands, the arms and legs. We'll bend the knees, rolling over onto the right side. And then inhale, let's come on back up. Allow yourself a moment. Let's close the eyes. Hands come into prayer position. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.